still considered a leading man. And we watch his movies, and he has some 30-year-old gorgeous woman who's totally in love with him. And we go, yeah, that makes sense. Well, he's in his 70s. He's way overweight. He's wrinkled and not so pretty, you know, and so there's no beauty there. But we see him as sexy as hell.
Deadly eyes.
Well, no, sexy. It's a countenance, right?
Yeah, right?
It's the whole thing. So it's like we accept that because of what he walks with, empowerment. Do we know that he's a screwed up guy? Yeah. You know what makes us interesting?
Okay.
Our flaws.
I agree.
Our fears, our insecurities. That's what makes us really unique and interesting. So why do people try to cover it?
Right.
So the more screwed up you are, and the more you're cool with it, and you say, that's just who I am, it creates humor, behavior, quirks, and interesting things that happen that make us want to spend time with you.
I just wanted to find out, because you are in a very powerful position. I mean, you talked about a very powerful platform with powerful voices coming from actors. For example, when you started to work with Halle Berry, because that's how a lot of people in the world first heard of Ivana Chama, okay, the great